In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Google Sheets. Instead of sending a messy spreadsheet, we're going to turn raw data into a clean, professional report that's actually easy to read. A few thoughtful formatting moves can make your information clear at a glance and instantly more credible. Start by giving your report a clear title. Click and drag across the top few cells where you want the title to sit, then use merge cells to combine them into one wide cell. Type the name of your report, center the text, and apply bold. This immediately tells your boss or client exactly what they're looking at and creates a strong visual anchor at the top of the page. If your title spans multiple columns, only merge as many cells as you need, so the sheet remains easy to work with later. Next, make your column headers stand out. Select the header row and choose a dark fill color, then switch the font color to white. That high contrast improves readability and gives the sheet a polished, accessible look. To prevent cut-off words, auto-fit your columns. Move to the column letters at the top, then double-click the line between two letters. Google Sheets will expand that column to fit the longest entry. Repeat across the header so every label is fully visible and nothing feels cramped. Now add a total row at the bottom of your data. In the first cell of that row, type the word total so it's clear what the row represents. In the numeric column where you want the sum, click the total cell and type SUM, then drag to select the range of numbers you want to add. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Your total appears right away. To set it apart visually, open the Borders tool and add a top border to the total row. That clean line separates the math from the list and draws the eye to the final result. To finish the look and make it feel like a real report, go to the View menu, Open Show, and uncheck grid lines. Without the gray boxes, your sheet reads like a clean white document, which looks much better in video tutorials and presentations. You can always toggle them back on while editing. That's all it takes to transform raw data into something clear and presentation ready, clean, organized, and professional. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.